Hi, hello everyone. My name is Agam Sassangi, and you know guys me very well. So today I am gonna talk you guys, and I know I record video, and my videos are like very slow, and my speech like very slow. So okay, doesn't matter because I like this thing, and I like to create content with whatever I have. So this is it, guys, and let's start. So let's talk about your. Let me think. What should I talk today? So I guess I should talk about international politics because this is very interesting thing, guys, and in the international politics thing, like you know that can you guys wait for 30 seconds because I want to keep pen and paper paper because I'm gonna note some point that whatever I am saying, so keeping to flow for that purpose. So I'm coming. Just okay, and I am back. Now we are gonna talk about international politics, yeah, because we talk many more things, many more topics, but today I am interested in talking about international politics. So, yeah, international politics. When we talk about this, so dude, let's be on the, you know, in this current period of time, like today's modern world, three, I guess, three major countries in the world who are very much into power, dominance, and authority. Like the first is, I guess, US, and the second is second is what is the second? First is United States of America, and second I can say Russia, and third is China, and many more also, like Japan, Korea, and many more etc. But three are major countries like US, Russia, and China. So do you think, guys, like US is the most powerful and authoritative country because it, it is a superpower. It is a super power nation, and controls world economy because dollar identifies everywhere is identified everywhere, and you can say in the US there are a lot of things. So first I would like to tell uh, country wise, the relations between countries. So I'm from India, and we're gonna talk about world's major countries and minor countries either, but first we will talk about major countries, like so the countries are US, Russia, China, Spain, UK, UAE, and India, and Indonesia, and Japan, Korea, South Korea, North Korea, and Switzerland, and there are many more countries, and some are major countries and some are minor countries. So first we will talk about US. So currently, I guess, I not guess. Currently, the president of US is Donald Trump, and you know very well about Trump government if you are a US citizen, and in the Russia, Vladimir Putin is the authoritative identity in the Russia, and China. Uh, I don't know what is the authoritative identity, but have to search. I gotta search this thing. So, like in the US, Russia, and China, there are lot of competition, and you know every country wants progress, growth, and US, like specifically focuses more on the development and economical thing, and there are a lot of industries that in the US. So, and Russia plays also crucial role in the world economy and politics. So in these countries, uh, they have lot of resources, like human resources, and mm, they want to enhance themselves. For that purpose, they do lot of things, like US, US, you know do like crazy things. So recently, US did a very, I can say, very for Indians, very crazy things, because US did charge on visas more. So for that thing, Indians are very disappointed to the from the US government, and yeah, Russia is supportive to India, and US and Russia's relationship also, like average, not very good, we can say average, and with the China also we can say average, not very much good. So this is it, guys, and so yeah, and we are talking about international politics. So guys, if we if we say what is the better world order or better world system in the future, so what do you think? First, what do you think? What is the better world order or what a better world system? Uh, to this term, what do you think? Like, what do you think? Tell me first in the comments, and then I will tell you that what I think, and like I think that for a better world order or better world system, we have to we have to work, like we have to work you know very very much coordinately and harmonizingly, because when we do separately things, so for one nation it is good and for another nation it is not good, and we have to keep each other's motive and each other's benefits and each other's advantage for their citizens. We have to keep remember that thing also, if we are a superpower and if we are an authoritative country in the world, if we are a dominant country in the world, then that is the duty for us that we keep remember others nations problems in our intuitions or mind. And if we are not doing that thing, then of course we are not we are not uh, what would I say, we are not that much keeping our responsibilities in that way. And so I guess all nations by together, they should work like togetherness, with the spirit of togetherness and unity. And I know it is a utopia, and that doesn't work in today's world's condition, but we can imagine and we can guess. So by that thing, guys, I guess I think so that for better world order, we should focus on environment, we should focus on climate, we should focus on mental health, and we should focus on uh, all over well-being, all over well-being. So when we talk about all over well-being, so guys, that this thing includes very variety of things like first I can say you have to keep remember the psychology of people. So uh, I would want to recommend to governments that they should they should uh, like they should have to do spread awareness about mental health, and they should have to spread about psychology, spread awareness about psychology of people and philosophy. I know not too much people interested in this thing, but we can do or put our effort, and the rest is in the people's hand. So we can do at our own best. And I'm not saying that uh, you know we have to very much specifying, and we have to simple and generalizing the world. The diversity is always gonna exist, and it is good, it is very good, and it is very needy. But I am saying that we always try to move forward, we always try to go in the growth direction, we always try to keep in the momentous direction. So in that thing, if we do if we do good things, then the world's condition is gonna good, because in the world there are a lot of people who are poor and who are rich. So we have to keep remember all the things, we have to keep remember all people's conditions and all people's situations and circumstances. If we try to avoid that thing, then we are losing empathy to that people, for that particular type group of people. So if we are trying to keep remember problems of that kind of persons, then we are good authority. And if we are good authority in people's mind, in in every kind of group of people's mind, then we are successful in the authority, in the administration. So like in my previous videos I didn't talk about very much into administration thing, but I would like to, because this thing attracts my attention, and I am very much interested in good administration, because if the good administration exists, then all kind of people takes benefit of to that thing, from that thing. So yeah guys, uh, we should try to as much as give support to governments, and whatever we can do, and whatever it is right. So You know, that is the thing, yeah. Let me drink the water. So, for a good world order, that is the thing, guys. And this is this is needy and necessary. And if we are not aware of the world's problem, like in the current settings of world, in the current dimension, in the current time period of world, there are a lot of problem existing, like climate and animal disease, animals conditions, nature issues, and water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution, and a lot of things. First, these problems are very much crucial and needed to get our attention. And second, after that, there are a lot of problems that our attention should go on that problems. So first we have to solve base level problems. We can divide problems into three layers of, like first is on the physical level, and the second is on the mental level, and third is on the consciousness level. So I always talk about consciousness because sometimes scientists deny the fact that they call pure consciousness, and they called mind to pure consciousness. But there is a difference between mind and consciousness. So three problems exist on the three layers. Like first is physical level problems, and the second is mental, or I can say mind level problems, and third is consciousness level problem. So if first we have to try to remove a physical level problem, then we can remove easily mind level problems, and then we can remove easily consciousness level problems. And the world is currently full of with physical level problems, and I told you most of the problems. And like first, air pollution, and the second is water pollution, the third is noise pollution, and the fourth is you know climate. In the climate, the problem lies, all the problem lies. And fifth is nature, and second is wildlife, and seventh is animals. In the wildlife, those animals lie in that thing who lives in the forest and wild areas, wildlife areas. But animals lives everywhere, and they lives into our colonies and our world. So I am talking about that type of animals. So these all the things that we should keep remember in our mind. For better world order, we have, I told you for earlier, that we have to keep remember all the things. And the those nations who are superpower, they they have duty to keep responsibility, to keep remember people's condition, and keeping doing things like who is gonna affect people's lives, and who is gonna improve people's lives. Because if they are superpowers, then the supreme authority, like which we call as a god, so that supreme authority want to want to help those people, want to make help those people by them. So this is it, guys, and this is it for today. I hope I explained into short type of manner, and I try to summarize the things, and I tried very much to keep all the things, to put all the things in front of you. And so I hope this is it for today. Signing off. Stay awesome, stay cool.